Speaker Sonny Belmonte rules out summoning Oriental Mindoro Governor Alfonso Umali to a question hour at the lower house on his phone call to the PNP chief on the arrest of Delphine Lee. Belmonte says a question hour is called for only for members of the cabinet. Again, here's Freddie Abante.
Mindoro Oriental Governor Alfonso Umali Jr. was straight to the point in admitting he called the PNP Chief General Alan Purisima to inquire on the arrest of Delphine Lee, March 6 at the Hyatt Regency Hotel. Umali made it clear there was no shouting incident during his conversation with Purisima as reported in the news. In an exclusive interview with PTV4, Governor Umali Baird Lee's lawyer, attorney Gilbert Repiso, is from his province. A former councilor in Calapan City called him to ask the police if the arrest order against his client was still in play given the Court of Appeal's decision in his favor. Lee was charged for syndicated estafa in connection with a multi-billion peso loan secured from Pag-ibig for housing projects in Mabalacat and Bacolor, Pampanga, undertaken by his realty firm Global Asiatic.
Tinawagan ko si General Purisima nga. Kasi kaibigan ko naman yun Wala namang problema. So tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, boss, nandyan sila, yung abogado ni Delphine Lee, nahuli raw si Delphine Lee, nasa Task Force 2 wala ako sa opisina Pero di bale, pagdating ko sa opisina, tatawagan kita. Dumating siya sa opisina, tinawagan ako. Tapos sinabi niya sa akin, pare, kailangan ng release order from the court. Sabi ko, ganun ba? So, yun na yun. Tinanong ko sinabi ko rin sa abogado, tinawagan ko yung abogado, pare, kailangan daw ng release order sa korte. So, I don't know bakit sinasabing nakipagsigawan ako sa Chief PNP. Hindi ko maintindihan yun kung saan ang galing yun. Kasi, nobody in his right mind, magsisigawan mo yung Chief PNP, kalokohan naman yun.
Umali said he was ready to face his former peers in the House to a question hour to narrate the real score on his conversation with Purisima, a move pushed by the House Independent Bloc of the minority led by Congressman Martin Romualdez. But Speaker Feliciano Belmonte clarified only cabinet members can be summoned to a question hour. Umali said he explained the incident to the president. The governor expressed the reports were politically motivated to hurt his personal friendship with the president. Umali, former peer of the president in the House, where they served together for 3 terms. Umali is the treasurer of the Liberal Party.
Ano sabi ng presidente sa'yo?
Wala. Sabi niya sa akin, ganun ba talaga nangyari? Sabi ko, wala hong dagdag yan, walang kulang, Mr. President.
Kaya nagawa na.
Oo. Sabi ko nga, wala naman talaga Alam nga namang ilagay mo naman. Di ba? Ako naman siguro, hindi naman ako, para, mahihita ko kung magsinungaling ako? Ano mahihita ko kung ano? Tsaka, napakapangit pakinggan nung ina-arbor ko raw. Paano ko a-arborin yun? Ang laki-laking, ang laki-laking, di ba? Sensationalized case yan na nahuli na. Tapos sasabihin na a-arborin ko. Pwede ba yun?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abante reporting.